Hi there, my name is Teddy Rose, back this week, and now we're going to calculate the electric potential difference, and that is going to be from point A to point B along an XY axis. In the first region, we're going to have an E field of 5, 0, -1 volt over meters. E2 is going to be -1, 3, 4, and then E3 is going to be 2, 7, -1. And these are all volt over meters. Okay. And then the change in X is going to be 3 for the first region, 9 for the second, and 3 for the final region. So basically how we're going to do this is to find the total change in electric potential difference from all of these regions from the point A to B. We're going to take this potential difference plus this potential difference plus this one, and then that will equal the final electric potential difference from A to B. Okay, so we can ignore EY and EZ because we're only changing in the X direction. So it'd just be over 0 and then result in in EY, EZ, that would result in the 0 potential difference from those components of the E field. So to start, for the first region, we know that the E field is 5, 0, -1 volt over meters. So we're going to take that in this equation right here as EX is going to equal to negative potential difference over the change in X, which we know to be 5 from here. And then that's going to give us the potential difference, which we're trying to find, over the change in X, which is 3 meters up here. So we're going to just do some simple algebra, multiply it over, and we're going to get a change in potential difference for the first region as negative 15 volts. For the second, we're going to do the same process. Now we're going to have a change in 9 meters, and our X component in the vector of the E field is going to be -1. So same setup. We're just finding that for the second region now, and we get that it's going to be 9 volts in change in potential difference because the negative from this -1 and the negative from the equation cancel out, and you get a positive change in potential difference. And then finally, for our last region, the change in potential difference is going to be the same, or it's going to be different, but we're going to have the same change in X as we did for the first region. So that's just going to be 3 with a component of 2, and so we're going to multiply a -3 over, and then we're going to result in a -6 volts for that potential difference. And then finally, we're going to add all of those up, the -15 from the first, 9 from the middle region, and -6 from the last region, and we get our final answer to be the total change in electric potential difference from point A to point B is going to be a -12 volts. Thanks for watching. Leave a like.